Ya, hari ini kita akan melakukan the SMART FUE teknik untuk seorang daripada kampung saya.
Saya amat berpuas hati selepas mendapati yang keinginan saya terjadi, dan saya amat syukur kerana ada Profesor Dato JasG membantu untuk buat transplant rambut yang saya inginkan. Terima kasih, Dato.
Today is day 1 after the beard hair transplant which we did yesterday.
Everything went well. Just one word, awesome. Okay, thanks to Professor Dato Dr. JasG and the team. Thank you, Glojas.
Inilah kisah seorang gadis yang muda ini. Dia sudah amat penat. Tiap-tiap hari dia kena melukis eyebrow dia di depan cermin.
Now I don't have to draw my eyebrows anymore every day, and thank you to Prof. Dato Dr. JasG for helping me to do this procedure successfully.
Inilah kisah pemuda ini, sudah 5 tahun ada parut di kawasan desa di sini.
Having this scar for past 5 years, and now I can see that the transplant hair can cover the scar area. Actually, I'm very thankful to Professor JasG. Thank you, Glojas.
From Australia, Melbourne, she came to Glojas for the SMART FUE technique, lowering hairline with the oval shape.
So I just finished my hair transplant here at Glojas Clinic using the SMART FUE technique. I got my perfect oval hairline created by Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and I thank Glojas team for their hard work. The procedure was pain-free and very smooth, and I'm excited for the final results.